Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Today it's our favorite presenter, Helen. Let me actually write down Helen. You must learn these presenters. You know my enemy is Christy, but these other ones I'm fine with. Okay, so you can just follow the links. The link in the first comment. There we go. Then you can talk to me. Okay, so let me say to join WhatsApp group. Guys, another thing here in gambling, we don't force anyone to buy books or whatever, because some people will be like, can I have the book for free? How? No, I can't do that. I teach also mathematics. Kids, they pay school fees, they buy textbooks. So how do I have to give someone a book for the strategies for free? That is not acceptable. I also take my time to predict these things. It's not like someone says, hey, this is the strategy. No, we wake out, we crack these strategies all night until 3 o'clock, trying to find just the perfect strategy. So you guys will be sleeping. You have to understand that fact. Okay, so now we're going to start with the, as I've given you, the banker is 11 for today. All draws can be branch, can be lunch. If that 11 does not drop, it's coming on tea time. Okay, so today's numbers, they are easy. I'm going to break the code with you. It's 141. So what's going to happen here is we're going to say first pair that you can play, it can be 1441, just like that. Then you put your bonus as 11. It's something that I've seen just from that code. Then we say 1 plus 41, it gives me a 42. 1 minus 41, it gives me a 40. But now this 40, they'll spin and make it a 4. Because if you can check here, this combination of 4, 11, let's say 14, 41, 4, 11. Just imagine this 4 number, if it comes like that, like 14, 41, 4, 11. That could be a big bomb for everyone. Okay, so if either way, you can just take that code 141 and check it properly. You can see that if you say 1 plus 14, you get a 15. 1 minus 14, you get a what? It's 18. So numbers like 15 you can also put on the side. You can say, let me just say 4, 11, 15, 4, 11, 16. Because I've already said like 6, 16, 11. If Sheleni is going to bring that number like that, then we are sorted. After this, I'm going to show you how we use previous results to create home figures. Home figures are the numbers that are actually expected to drop, but as long as it is on the code. Because why am I saying 6, 16, 11? Because the code is 116 and the 15 hasn't dropped, the 17 dropped. So now we have got a high combination of 11 and 616. Okay, so the second code is 116, the one that I was just talking about. Okay, with let me say 1 plus 16 is a 17. 17 dropped last night. So instead, I'm going to say 17 times 2. I'll get a 34. Okay, someone is calling me. Okay, why am I saying 34? Because this number is an odd. I cannot divide it. You see. So I just have to multiply that number. Okay, so now there's something that I just realized now. You see this code 116. If you divide it, if you divide by 2, you're going to get a 2. You're going to 8. You see, it's gonna be an 8. And then okay, then now if we say 17, we say times 2, we get a 34. So okay, let me just go to the home figures here. Okay, and let's see if ever we can check this. We're going to say 5, 9, 12, 21, 24, 37, 16. Okay, 16 dropped there. Yesterday, these guys were giving us another terrible task. How can they say 16, 17 bonus? I did not notice that. So which means 16 came already. So either way, we're going to be 6. Let me say 6, 11. Instead, Because if you see this combination 5-5-9, you must know that 11 is coming. Definitely sure banker is 11. I know what if it's Helen at least she understands the codes. If the code is the code, she uses it as it is. This other girl, Christy, she will skip the code and go, I don't even know where she goes to get those kind of results, which at the end of the day doesn't make sense to us. Okay, so let's just do the home figures here, guys. The home figure of 16 is 7. Home figure of 37 is 10. Home figure of 24 is 6. So which means 6 is dropping. Home figure of 21 is 3. Home figure of 12 is 3. And then home figure of 9 is 45. Home figure of 5, that's at 32 or 23. So why am I saying you guys must understand the home figures? They also help. Look at the 6 now. Now we have clarity about the 6. And maybe the 32 and 45. So we now go back to our code again. We're not done. So we're going to take this 16. We'll remove this 16 instead. Then we put 15. Because it's always very important for us to follow those things. So I just removed 6, 15, 11. You understand? Now I've got clarity. But I think I forgot to do something on the first code. Bear with me, guys. I'm trying my best here. 1 minus 4 is a 3. Then always do that, carry that, you get 31. If we add, it's gonna be a 5, which comes as a 51. So as you can see, 15 is a nice number there. Then let's go to the bottom one, because I think on the home figures I saw it 26. So it's 116. Then you say 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus this is 26. If we subtract, then it's 0, which means 6 is coming. Yeah, this number must drop today by fire, by force. Okay, guys, I'm done. Actually, I'm working out the 550. I'm actually working out the 550 strategies, because now we've got so much draws. Then the strategy has changed, which means in my eyes, I have to go and hustle again 5 kind of strategies that will work on 550. Once we master that, I'm telling you guys, we reach. Because 550 pays. You know, for example, if you play with, let me say you play with 5 rand, you're playing 2 numbers, you're getting 500 rand. You play 3 numbers with 5 rand, you're getting 6k, 6.5 thousand. Imagine, that's someone's salary. That's why people will gamble, because of, you know what, if I'm earning 10,000 rand a month as a teacher, then I play 3 numbers, I win 6.5. It's something else. I can't quit my job, but I also have to gamble. Yeah, I gamble every time. And I know sometimes, you know, I don't make it, but when I make it, I know that my money, it came back. So gambling is win or lose, guys. You have to put that in mind. And it's not like you are forced to gamble. No. You have to be responsible for that. You don't push yourself. If you don't have money, don't gamble. Just maybe do codes and practice. Thank you very much. Let me not preach. You're done.